Welcome to Happy English. Let's get better at listening and speaking. It will be fun and a little challenging. Let's start. The oyster omelette is a beloved Taiwanese street food combining plump, fresh oysters with a starchy batter and eggs, creating a unique texture that's both chewy and crispy. The omelette is fried to golden perfection, often in a generous amount of oil, resulting in a satisfyingly greasy and hearty dish. The addition of sweet potato starch to the batter gives it a distinctive gooiness, setting it apart from typical omelettes. Topped with a special sweet and slightly spicy sauce, the dish is a flavor explosion in every bite. The fresh oysters nestled within the eggy, starchy matrix provide bursts of oceanic flavor, making the omelette a popular choice among seafood lovers. This dish is a staple at Taiwanese night markets, embodying the island's rich culinary landscape and its people's love for fresh, flavorful seafood.